The Suggest Replacements feature, which was a NAIRS request from 2022, is now available in the new UI. As a reminder, the library can use this feature to suggest resources to replace existing titles on Leganto reading lists in Alma. Here I have an item that's on several different reading lists. I can suggest that the instructors using this item update their list to use the newer edition. I'll search for the newer edition and select it. This will add suggestions to all of the items in Leganto. In Leganto, the instructor will see an alert letting them know that there are new editions available, and there are a couple different options to navigate to these suggestions. First, the item has a tag, New Edition Available. The instructor can filter to see all items that have the New Edition Available tag. They can also click on the Show Editions link on the banner, which opens up the Suggestions pane, which includes any replacement suggestions. They can expand the item to see the details, including the information about the item that's currently on the list. They can also click on View Original Item, which will open the full details of the item in the Related Items tab, where they can also see the suggestion. Here I have the option to decline the suggestion, which will remove the New Edition Available tag and the alert on my list. I can also add the item to my list, which will add it as an additional item rather than replace the original item. This is only available in the new UI. Or I can choose Replace Item, which will link the record to the new MMS ID. The citation metadata updates, and the inventory displays the inventory for the new record, and the New Editions Available tag will be removed, finishing the workflow. All the other information, such as other tags, notes for students, or usage information, will remain. Here we can see that our list is now using the new edition.